What I have here in my hand is a game changer to hanging up curtain rods and curtains. This is called the Kwik-Hang, and it takes out the hassle of having to measure, level, and even screw in the brackets for those curtain rods. It's a simple product and makes your life so much easier when you're having to hang up those curtains. I just recently moved into my new house, and after getting the blinds put in, they did a good job canceling out that light, but I have to get the curtains in for when the baby girl needs to take her nap, and we need to make this room dark. So I'm gonna use these Kwik-Hangs as opposed to having to do the rigmarole of having to measure, level, and drill in those brackets. And I bet you're saying,
Bill, come on. It's not that hard to hang curtain rods.
but you know what? For me it is, because I got a lot of stuff I need to do. So I need to take that 30-minute experience in about 5 minutes. That's right, you can hang curtain rods in less than 5 minutes using this Kwik-Hang product. And I'm gonna show you how I did it. I failed to mention that I am not sponsored by the company that makes this wonderful product. Therefore, the enthusiasm that I have for it is strictly my own. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get back to me showing you how to hang this thing. First, I got on my determined face. Then aligned the Kwik-Hang to the window frame. While applying a little downward pressure for the nails to set in, I hammered the rod holder into the frame. Once the holder was in place, it is extremely sturdy and should hold a fair amount of weight. Here's another angle of how the other side went in. In hindsight, I should have applied some tape or paper to prevent scuffing up the wall, but that's a lesson for next time. After both holders were installed, it was super easy to drop in the curtain rod without any issues. Yeah! And just to show you how fast this can be done, here is a somewhat real-time install of the other window.
It's a new lap record.
Easy peasy bumpkin beezy. So there you have it, guys. The Kwik-Hang is pretty quick, and I just love this product. And it really took the hassle out of having to just do the brackets and hang them up. And as you can see, it was just super easy to hammer these things into the frame. If you like what you saw and like the product, and you really just want to make your life a whole lot easier, be sure to check the link in the description below and make life just easy for yourself. Remember, guys, don't just fix it, make it better. I'll see you next time. Take care.